Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to teach you how to back up your data in WhatsApp. So first things first, you must go to settings. So when you go to settings, you go to storage and data. You can't see anything here. You can easily get confused. So you go to chats. When I go to chat, you see chat backup over here. Click on that button and either choose the account you want to back it up to, and if you want to back over Wi-Fi and cellular, you put that on. Then include videos, yes. Back up to Google Drive monthly. Every month it backs up. So after that you just press back up and it just starts backing up. So just wait for it to reach 100%. And right now you just wait for it to prepare Google Drive. So if it is somehow slow, so it will just start. You must leave your phone down on a table so and drop it so it can back up, and after it backs up you can just start using your phone. This must reach 100%. But because I've backed it up yesterday, so I don't need to back up. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Bye.